In this video, I want to explain to you about the start the motor in the fast left-right direction. If you haven't seen the previous video, the control circuit was different. The power circuit is the previous one. From 12 stop to the NC base, we connected 11 started S2 and S3. That is, we have received an order from here. When this base is activated, we want to deactivate it. Well, now we will test its operation. We connect the power and string circuit. The motor is at the rest. When you activate this input, the motor will be turned left. We can stop the motor and start it in reverse. Do not activate quickly. That is when it is left hand, activate the right hand motor at the same moment to change from left hand to right hand or vice versa. We can turn off the motor and restart it. We have removed the load control and pulse control in this circuit, but we did it practically. The power circuit is similar to the previous power circuit. We look at three wires from the input and connect them to the MCB. From the MCB, we pass it three wires of the load control slots and connected them to the RCB. We connected from RCB to the left hand conductor and we connect the left hand conductor to the terminal. They only add a part of the right hand conductor. We connected L1 to L1 and L2 to L2 and L3 to L3, but it differs at the bottom of the conductor. That is for left hand, right hand. We have to replace the two phases that we connect the L3 to L1 and L2 to L2 and L1 to L3. That means that the place of the blue and red wire has changed. Power circuit, we make a bridge for the common circuit and connect it to the RCB. We connect from RCB to pin 25 of fast control. We connected 28 fast controls to the load control COM. From normally open, we connected the load control to 11 stop case. We connected S2 and S3 from 12 stops to 11 starts. Both are start case, each of the which has a normally open and a normal close pin, which we connect to normally close. Each of which we connect the normal close base. We connect from pin 12 of S3K to pin 13 of S2K. Okay. We connect from pin 12 of S2K to pin 13 of S3K. And we parallel the contact 13 and 14 of the conductor with the starter. And then we connected the normal kilos of the opposite conductor. In part K1, we should contact K2 in series. And in part K2, we should connect K1 in series. And we connected directly to the conductor coil. And now 13 and 14 are located here, which we connected to the normal close of the second conductor here. Uh, this is the second normally closed conductor. Then we connected the first conductor to A here, and we connected A2 to the neutral. Okay, now we test. He did it straight, and the stop key is to turn it off. We can test this circuit yourself, and you can test the power circuit uh, with RCB test button here. Well, this is the assembly of the common circuit and power circuit for starting the left hand, right hand electric motor. We will improve the next part of the training. We will explain it to you completely. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments. And thank you for watching this video.